Hello students, today we will discuss some more exact differential equation problems. So as already we have discussed in the previous video that a equation is said to be an exact differential equation, then suppose it is in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0, it is called linear differential equation of first order. In this case, suppose dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then we can say it is an exact differential equation. In this case, the solution will be integration m dx plus n dy, where in this m term y taken as constant, and in this n term we should take only not having x terms. So this is the solution for exact differential equation. Let us see this problem. Dy by dx plus this function equal to 0, so which is not in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So we are converting into this form by taking the term into right side, then it will be minus of this term. Again take cross multiplication. Now hx plus by plus f into dy equal to minus of this into dx. Now take this dx term into left side, then it will be plus. So it will be into dx, this function into dy equal to 0. Now it is in the form like one function into dx plus some function in xy into dy, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0 form. Now take m equal to dx coefficient, take this as m, this as n. Now find out dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y means with respect to y we are doing means x is constant here, so derivative of constant is 0, and with respect to y means hy derivative is h, and this is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0, that's why it is 0, so only h we have. Similarly dou n by dou x, with respect to x we are doing means h into x derivative is h, and with respect to x we are doing in the sense this is a constant and this is also a constant, derivative of constant is 0. Now h plus 0 is h. Now we have dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So we can say it is an exact differential equation. So obviously the solution is like this. Again write integration m dx. What is m here? This into dx plus n dy. In this n we should not take all the terms, only which are not having x terms, that terms we should take. Here by taking n, here it has x, so we should not take this term. Okay, now by, in this x is not given, that's why by we can take, and this is a constant also we can take, so by plus f. Here it has x, that's why we should eliminate this term. Now into dy equal to c. Now y as a constant means a is a constant and x is a function, so constant into function means constant take it as it is, and function integration with respect to x, that is x derivative is x square by 2. Again y constant means hy is totally a constant, integration of any constant is constant into x, so this constant into x means hy into x. Again g into dx means constant into dx means constant into x, that is gx. Similarly here we have taken already not having x terms, so directly we can take with respect to y means it is a function, so b is a constant as it is, y integration is y square by 2. Similarly constant into dy means f into y equal to constant as it is, or you can take by 2 as LCM, then it will be ax square, 2 LCM means 2hxy, 2gx, 2fy here, and by square here. So write in a proper way, then it will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to actually 2c here, but here we can say 2c. Suppose I am taking here c1, then this is 2c1, which is nothing but c, which is a constant. So this is the required solution of the given exact differential equation. See this problem, it is obviously in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So find out m and n values here, then take dou m by dou y. With respect to y we are doing means x is a constant, and here it contains y, so this is a function and this is a constant whose derivative is 0. So 0 plus, no need to write here. And in this e power x by y means function, e power x derivative is e power x. With respect to y means e power y means e power y. But instead of y, x by y is given here. Again dou by dou x of x by y. Now we are taking suppose dou by dou x of x by y. Here with respect to y means x is constant, so take the constant as it is. 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square, that's why here minus 1 by y square, x constant as it is here. So in the same way dou n by dou x, with respect to x means it is a function and it is also a function, right? Now we can take u into v form. U into v means u dash e power x by y, derivative is e power x by y. Again instead of x by y is given, so again differentiate this with respect to x means 1 by y constant as it is, x derivative is 1, so 1 by y. So this is total u dash into v taken as it is plus u into v dash whose derivative is 0 constant, and with respect to x means minus 1 by y is constant into x derivative is 1. So take e power x by y common, then it will be 1 by y into 1 by y, 1 by y into x by y minus x by y square minus, here common means minus 1 by y gets cancelled. Now it is like minus x by y square into e power x by y, both are equal. Now these two are equal in the sense solution is this formula. So substitute m and n, where m taken as it is and n in this n not having x terms. So here we have x term, I mean this is totally a term which contains x, that's why we should not take any term. So obviously it is what, 0. Not having x means there is no term which is not having x, that's why it is 0. And this is what y as constant. Y as constant means here it is a constant, integration 1 into dx is x of course, and e power x form it is, e power x derivative integration is e power x. Okay, so integration of e power ax into dx in the sense e power ax by a plus c. So here y is constant means e power 1 by x into y here. So e power 1 by x into y, 1 by y into x by again what, e power integration 1 by y into x here, instead of a here 1 by y. That's why what we are writing here, e power x by y as it is by a means here 1 by y, that's why by 1 by y. 1 by 1 by y is nothing but y. So x plus y into e power x by y equal to c here. Here also it is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Write m and n values, again dou m by dou y. Here with respect to y means x is constant, so sin x is constant as it is, cos y derivative is minus sin y. And with respect to y we are doing means it is a constant whose derivative is 0. Now here with respect to x means sin y is constant here as it is, into cos x derivative is minus sin x, and with respect to x means tan y is 0, that's why it is 0. So both are same, so it is an exact differential equation and the solution is same formula. Write here m into dx, here not having x terms in n, here we have x term, so we should not take this term. Here in this term there is no x term, that's why we can numb this tan y here into dy equal to c. Now y as a constant means cos y is constant, take it as it is, integration of sin x into dx is minus cos x by using the formula, and plus here integration e power ax means e power ax by a, what is a here, 2, e power 2x by 2, plus here tan y with respect to y, integration of tan y is log mod sec y equal to c as it is, here cos x into cos y minus e power x by 2 plus this equal to c. Now which is the required solution, or you can take 2 as LCM, then it will be minus 2 cos x cos y plus e power 2x, 2 into equal to 2c1 actually, 2c1 here suppose, then we can take 2c1 as some c, then which will be the required solution for the given exact differential equation. See this problem students, see here it is not in the form of m dx plus n dy, so we should take dx as common, dy as common. For that first of all we can split these terms, here this by this minus y dx by this equal to 0. Now dx term, here dx term take as common, dx x minus y by this into dx. Again from these two take dy as common, then what, y plus x by x square plus y square into dy. Now it is in the form like m dx plus n dy equal to 0, then take m here, n here. Now dou m by dou y, with respect to y means x is a constant whose derivative is 0, minus with respect to y means here it is y, here it is y, so it is like u by v form. So d by dx of u by v means what, u dash v minus u v dash by v square. U dash means y derivative with respect to y is 1 into v as it is here minus u as it is v dash with respect to y means here it is a constant whose derivative is 0 and y square derivative is 2y by v square means this whole square. Now simplify this. Take the denominator as it is. Here x square plus y square minus 2y square. Y square minus 2y square is nothing but minus y square. Minus of here as it is. Now multiplied with minus means y square minus x square by denominator as it is. Similarly dou n by dou x. With respect to x means here y is 0, constant derivative is 0 and u by v form. U dash means x with respect to x is 1 here into v as it is minus u as it is into v dash with respect to x means x square derivative is 2x plus y derivative is 0 because it is a constant. So 2x plus 0 is 2x by v square. Again here x square plus y square minus 2x square. Minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square plus y square. Now both are equal, so which is an exact differential equation, and the solution formula as it is. See here we are substituting m here as it is, and in this not having x term means here it contains x, so only y we should take, so integration y into dy for n. Now see here y as constant means x is a function, so x square by 2 here minus y is a constant and it is like which form, 1 by here integration 1 by here x square, because with respect to x means x square plus this y is a constant, right? So y is a constant means it is like a square, constant square. So integration of 1 by a square plus x square is nothing but what, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So 1 by a means y as it is here. 1 by a means here instead of a y is given, that's why y 1 by y tan inverse x by a. X by a means here x by instead of a y is given, so tan inverse x by y plus integration y into dy means y square by 2 equal to c. Y gets cancelled here by 2 LCM, then x square minus 2 into tan inverse x by y plus y square equal to 2c1, or you can take 2c as c1, or you can take here c1 then 2c1 equal to c, which is the required solution. Similarly see the next one, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Take m and n as it is, and dou m by dou y with respect to y means it is a constant into y derivative is 1, that is sin 2x. Again here minus of here with respect to x means it is a constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0, and here it is like x square form, function power constant, x power n form, n into x power n minus 1 means n into x power n minus 1 means cos power 2 minus 1 is 1, so cos x. Again instead of x cos x is given, that's why dou by dou x of cos x means minus sin x. Here minus, take it as it is, minus into minus plus 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. Both are same means exact differential equation. Again solution, again take the m as it is here, which is not having x terms means 1 plus y square we should write, minus of 1 plus y square we should write, but here it contains x, so we should not take this term here, into dy equal to c. See y is constant means constant, integration sin ax means integration sin ax into dx means minus cos ax divided by a. In the derivative into a will come, in the integration by a will come, plus c. So here cos sin ax means minus cos ax means 2x by instead of a 2 is there, minus of integration 1 into dy is y obviously, and minus into plus minus y square integration is y cube by 3 equal to c. Now we can simplify this by taking what, 6 as LCM, here 3 into, so 3y cos 2x minus of, and minus taken as common here, for every term it contains minus, so here 6 LCM means 6y, here plus minus common means plus, 3 2s are 6, so 2y cube equal to c. You can take this as this side, minus taken is taken here, then minus 6c, it is nothing but c1. So this equal to c1 is the required solution of given differential equation. Similarly we can have some more problems, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here also in the same form, take m and n. Now see here, dou m by dou y with respect to y means x constant, so this total term is constant into y derivative is 1, so 1 into this total term is nothing but this one, plus with respect to y cos y derivative is minus sin y. So see here Now dou n by dou x. With respect to x means x derivative 1, log x derivative 1 by x. With respect to x means sin y constant as it is and x derivative is 1. So 1 into sin y is sin y. Here both are same or not? Yes, 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. Both are equal in the sense it is exact and the solution is same, and m take it as it is, not having x terms. So here x we should not take, here we should not take, here also x term. So there is no term which is not containing x. That's why it is simply 0. Now y constant, take it as it is, and integration 1 into dx is x, integration 1 by x into dx is log x, direct formula it is, and plus here with respect to x means cos y is constant, constant into dx means constant into x, so cos y into x, plus 0 integration is 0 plus c actually, but here already given c, that's why it is c. So xy, y log x log cos y equal to c. Now see this, m dx plus n dy equal to 0, same, it is in the form like this, and choose m and n values. Dou m by dou y means, with respect to y means it is a constant, derivative 0, y square derivative 2y. With respect to x means 2y is a constant and x derivative with respect to it is 1. So 2y into 1 is 2y. Both are same. Solution, again substitute m value, not having x. Not having x means here only it contains one term which contains x, so we should take here 0 because not having terms are not given here. That's why it is 0 into dy. Here y as constant means x square is a function, so x cube by 3 is the answer because x power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, plus it is a constant, take it as it is, integration 1 into dx is x. 0 equal to c. You can take it as it is or you can take LCM here. By 3 LCM, take this 3c as c1. Now m dx plus n dy equal to 0, same process. Here dou m by dou y. See here, with respect to y means x is a constant, derivative 0. Here constant is minus 2x and y derivative is 1. So minus 2x into 1. Minus, with respect to y means 2y. Here with respect to x means minus here, and x square derivative 2x, and minus y square derivative is 0 because it is a constant, and minus 2y is a constant and x derivative is 1. Minus 2y into 1 is minus 2y. Both are same. So the solution, here also m, take it as it is, not having x terms in n. Here x, we should not take this term. Here we should not take because it contains x. Here there is no x. That's why here minus y square into dy. Now y as a constant means x square is a function, x cube by 3 here, minus 2y constant as it is, minus 2y, x integration with respect to x means x square by 2, here by 2. Now minus, here it is a constant, constant into dx means constant into x, so constant into x, minus y into y square integration is y cube by 3 equal to c. Now 2 gets cancelled here, and x cube by 3, x square y here, and x y square here, and this one. Again take 3 as LCM, then x cube, here 3 into x square y, 3 into x square y here, minus 3 into xy square minus y cube equal to 3c, or else you can take 3c as c1, which is the required solution. Now in the next video we will discuss about non-exact differential equation.